Good morning. It is Michael Cadet from the Cadet Mortgage team at Cross Country Mortgage. I'm headed out to do a open house with Carisa over in the Concord area. I'll check it out and walk through the property, and we're gonna go check out what this property is all looking like, what the neighborhood is all looking like, and then we're gonna sit down with Carisa, have her tell us a little bit about the property and the neighborhood, and then we're gonna go over some loan numbers and see how much it's going to cost to get into this property. Okay, so we're going to see in Concord. I'm live here at an open house in Concord, California. I'm here with the wonderful, wonderful Carisa Mondon. All right.
Yes.
We are here at her open house this weekend that she's hosting, and I wanted to learn a little bit more about this property. So tell me a little bit about this property, Carisa.
This is a property you do not want to miss. If you are looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully updated, newly renovated, motivated sellers, this is the one for you. This is an entertainment house. The backyard's amazing. It is sitting on almost 79 square foot lot. There is a pool. There is a pergola. There is a TV outside. There is a full bar and kitchen that has a keg, and everything you could need in your backyard to host, you have.
So tell me a little bit about this community that we find ourselves in. Like, what makes this community special?
So this is a very quiet neighborhood. I actually used to live down the street. You are a walking distance. You're a walking distance to some food places, to Safeway. There's a grocery outlet. Would I personally walk there? No, but you can walk. It's just a really cat. Sorry, I just got really distracted. There is a cat out here. There is a cat out
walking
there
in the neighborhood.
It is a very cute neighborhood. Since we've been here, it is such a quiet neighborhood. And that's something that I personally look for. I love to party, but I don't want to hear my neighbors partying all the time.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understandable. So can you tell me a little bit about some of the renovations that have been done to this property?
So everything.
And I mean everything.
Everything. They have redone the bathrooms. They have updated the kitchen. We actually have to show them the bathroom.
Oh, yes.
Yes, we have a running poll of which bathroom is better. We prefer the guest bathroom, but the primary bathroom is top tier.
One of the last people who came had me teetering from the guest bathroom to the primary bathroom.
He was trying to switch sides on me.
Yeah, but I came back.
He came back home. Okay.
I had to stay home.
They've updated the outdoor kitchen as well. They have updated the bathroom. It's mainly the bathroom, the kitchens, your appliances, so all the necessary things.
And what do you think is your favorite part of the house?
The outside area and the guest bathroom.
Okay. So we're gonna go check out first the bathroom, and then we're gonna get your take on what you think is the better of the two.
Yes.
All right, so let's go take a peek.
Let's go, people.
Okay, so what do we got here?
This is our guest bathroom. You have the his and her sinks. Check out the detail.
Pretty cool pattern here. This is the bathroom I stuck with. I thought these patterns were pretty cool. I don't mind the eclectic styles.
I will say something that's very cool about this primary bathroom is that the door to the outside, this makes it very easy if you have guests and you have people are wet from the pool. They don't have to go through the house and track in all the water. You can just come straight into the bathroom with, I call this our barn door.
The barn door, Mr. Ed talking door
to the out,
right out to the outside,
and then you have the bathroom.
This is the bathroom number 2.
Yeah, it's less of a pop, but it definitely does the job. You have your fans, you have your built-in heater, so you can be out here at any time, hot or cold. You can close yourself in to block extra wind. And then you have your bar.
And And don't push that. It will squirt. Like
It actually works. It actually works.
It works.
This actually works too if there's beer in it. Oh, yeah. So
you got a full functioning bar. Back here, got a pool.
Oh my gosh. So this van conveys with the house if you want it. Okay.
So we got a little surprise for you.
We are going to go do a blast from the past. And
then
viola.
Mr. Austin Powers.
Mr. Austin Powers. Get the dragon on the side.
In motion.
Yes.
Gotta give you
it's the dragon wagon.
The dragon wagon, baby. All right. Dragon wagon. Look at that thing. Oh, this is some like real authentic craftsmanship right here. And this does actually come with the house if you want it.
If you want it, it is yours.
Carisa will help you with all the negotiations.
Write it into the contract. This is what you can get in Concord for under $900,000.
So I put together this quick presentation for you just to show you a current range of interest rates and where they're trading at right now. And just to give you an idea of what your mortgage payments would look like if you decided to purchase this property. So if you take a look in column number 1, I'm showing you a 30-year fixed mortgage with 20% down. This is with a 6.99% interest rate. Your total monthly payment will come out to $4,779.43. Your total cash to close, right above that monthly payment number, is at $195,699.33. This is including your down payment plus all of your closing costs. So just like your appraisal fees, any prepaid interest, escrow, anything that's involved in closing, it will be reflected in your total cash to close. In the next column, I'm showing you a 30-year fixed mortgage just with 15% down at a 6.99% interest rate. Your total monthly payment will come out to $6,335.50. Again, that total cash to close number right above is reflecting your everything, your down payment, all your closing costs, prepaid interest, title and escrow fees, and everything that would be required to close your transaction. And that monthly payment number, that's reflecting your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Since this is below 20%, just wanted to show you what it would look like if you were to pay principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Then in the final column, I'm showing you a 5% down scenario. This is, again, a 30-year fixed conventional mortgage at a 6.99% interest rate. Your total monthly payment would come out to $6,955.40. Total cash to close, right above there, is at $69,808.69. Again, reflecting your down payment plus all of your closing costs. Thank you for watching this episode of Open House Conversations. If you have any lending scenarios or questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the description below. You'll also find a link to the presentation we discussed. And if you're thinking about buying or selling any real estate, reach out to Carisa Mondon. She's one of my most preferred realtors and an expert in the field. Don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you every step of the way. Have a good day.